This is a special lens from our Retro series. Unlike regular lenses with spherical glass, this one has a smooth cylindrical surface. That's what makes it a 1.55x anamorphic lens. Some prefer to call it a cinema lens because it brings that classic film look, ultra-wide aspect ratios, horizontal lens flares, and that dreamy, cinematic feel. It instantly turns your shot into a movie frame. But here's the catch. Anamorphic lenses squeeze the image horizontally. To see it correctly, you need to enable anamorphic correction in apps like Fotorgear or Blackmagic Camera. Once you turn it on, your preview will show the full, corrected, wide field of view. This lens gives you nearly 50% more horizontal coverage. That means more environment, better framing, and stronger storytelling. Now, how does the math work? For photos in 4:3, divide the narrow side 3 by 1.55 and the wide side 4 by 1.93. You get a corrected to 2:1 aspect ratio. For video in 16:9, resulting in a dramatic 2:76:1 ultra widescreen look. Want to use the full sensor? In Fotorgear, switch to 4:3 video mode. You'll see open gate appear. Then go to external lens settings. Select the 1.55x anamorphic lens. Enable anamorphic correction and turn on open gate. Now you're recording true 2:1 video using the entire sensor width, preserving over 30% more image data. One downside? This mode doesn't support Apple Log. Still, I'm hoping Apple adds open gate support in the future. That would bring iPhone filmmaking one step closer to real cinema. Enough talk, can it actually deliver a cinematic look? Let's see a sample clip shot entirely in Apple Log with the 1.55x anamorphic lens.
You've been coming home to a cold house, I've been waking up alone. We keep picking fights and we lash out, but I just wanna let it go and stay with you. I will always stay with you. You've been working hard, so have I, and we've had hardly any time. But you're the only person I wanna stand by in this messy life. I'll stay with you. I will always stay with you. Just for now, turn the TV down and remember how this love thing works. Take my hand, with you I'll stand through good and bad, and that's for sure. That's for sure. We'll talk until the evening's quiet, reminiscing memories of ice cream dates and road trips, getting lost in big cities. Makes me wanna stay